Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So right here, we have our equation 8 to the power of x equals 2 root 2. And our goal is to find the value of x. So if you guys already didn't know, whenever we're solving exponential equations, our main goal is to make our bases the same. This is usually the case for solving exponential equations. So right here, you can see that our bases are absolutely different. We have 8 as our base on this side, and we have 2 root 2 on our base on this side. And we want to try to find a way to make them the same. So let's first focus on this side of our equation. We have 2 times square root of 2. So why don't we simplify this a little bit? This can also be written as 2 times 2 to the power of 1/2. We're simply rewriting square root of 2 to 2 to the power of 1/2. And remember, this is true of any number. So let's say we have the number a. The square root of a would be a to the power of 1/2. So the square root of any number is simply that number to the power of 1/2. So knowing this, well, now that side is 2 times 2 to the power of 1/2. This side is still 8 to the power of x. Now 2 times 2 to the power of 1/2. How would we solve that? Well, let's say we have the variable a and b, right? And so let's say we have the variable a, and we have a to the power of x, and we're multiplying that with a to the power of y. Well, this is the same thing as a to the power of x plus y. So knowing that 2 times 2 to the power of 1/2, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of, well, 2, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 1. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 1 plus 1/2. And this is equal to 8 to the power of x. Now, 1 plus 1/2, that's 3 over 2. So this is 2 to the power of 3 over 2. And this equals 8 to the power of x. And we actually can't simplify this side anymore. And our bases still aren't the same. So why don't we convert this 8 into a 2? Well, 8 is actually the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. So this is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 times x. And 2 to the power of 3 times x can also be written as 2 to the power of 3x. This equals 2 to the power of 3 over 2. Now, because our bases are both the same, we could just set our exponents equal to each other, because if our bases are the same, then so are our exponents. So we could write our equation here, 3x equals 3 over 2. We simply set our exponents equal. And now we can multiply by 2 on both sides. So by doing that, we get 6x equals 3. And now we have to isolate x, so we're going to divide by 6 on both sides. And we get x equals 3 over 6, which is equal to 1/2. So x equals 1/2, and that is our answer.